Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello. So the question belongs to probability section of your book. Given that the G and H are mutually exclusive event, if two events are mutually exclusive event, it means the probability of those two events, if G these are G and H, probability of G intersection H is equal to 0. Okay. So given that probability of G is equal to 0.5 and probability of H is equal to 0.3. Then explain why the following statement must be false. P of probability of H if the value of G is given. So we need to evaluate. Given that probability of H, given that probability of G, event G is happen. So that value we know that P of H intersection G divided by P of G. For mutually exclusive event, that value must be equal to 0. So that probability must be 0, but so it cannot be 0.4. Okay, so that is wrong. Second one is the find the probability of H or G. Probability of G or H, that is equal to probability of G plus probability of H plus probability of G intersection H. But both of these two events are mutually exclusive events, so that value is equal to 0. So probability of G or H is equal to 0.5 plus 0.3, that is equal to 0.8. So and third part is we need to tell whether G and H are independent or dependent event. G and H, if G and H are independent event, in that case condition for independent event is equal to P of G intersection H must be equal to P of G and P of H. But we know that for mutually exclusive event, P of G intersection H is equal to 0. This implies that G and H are dependent event. So hope this clears your doubt and thank you.